Tara, what do you make of the latest results?
So it's interesting because the results were upbeat, where it's, the stock is up about 10% today. So investors did really like the results. But when you dig a little bit deeper, you see that there's still those red flags. Most notably, the phone customer base is contracting again, which is a problem. So I think what you're seeing is Sprint is still the weak number 4 player in this market, and they really need this deal with T-Mobile. And if you look back last month, they made a presentation to the Federal Communications Commission trying to make their case for why they need this merger. And while the point of that presentation was sort of to get sympathy from the regulators so that they approve the deal, I think that is sort of a better representation of what's going on at Sprint right now than perhaps sort of the mood today with this really good earnings report. I think when you think about the long-term future of Sprint, it seems like they really can't go it alone. They're going to need to team up with another player.
Rescue is a strong word. What's the outlook for this merger?
So I think right now analysts are sort of up in the air about whether it'll get done. I think the chances are pretty good. I think a problem area could be prepaid. So T-Mobile and Sprint both have fairly large prepaid phone businesses, which are sort of the pay-as-you-go wireless plans that are catered to lower-income customers or those with sort of bad credit. And I think that's such an important market, especially when we're talking about the economy and the outlook for that, and whether the economy ever experiences some weakness again. I think that customer base is really important, and protecting those customers is going to be important. So I think regulators could look at that area and be concerned with it. But I think the overall market, when you look at the size of Sprint and T-Mobile relative to AT&T and Verizon, and just sort of the sheer financial firepower that those other companies have as they try to build out these new 5G wireless networks, I think Sprint really just needs this deal, and I think that's probably how everyone's going to come down on this deal at the end of the day.